Number 4 is LOTMAXX Shark V3 FDM 3D printer. The LOTMAXX Shark V3 FDM 3D printer is an exceptional device for professionals looking to create precise and intricate gun parts. Its multifunctional capabilities, including two-color printing and laser engraving, allow endless possibilities. With its advanced auto-leveling feature, the Shark V3 ensures precision and accuracy in every print. The dual extruder with 3 fans and modes enables super-fast cooling, making printing more efficient. The LED decoration feature adds an extra layer of excitement and creativity to the printing process. The Shark V3's filament sensor and power-off resume printing features are incredibly useful, preventing the wastage of filaments and time by recording printing data and resuming printing after a power outage or filament breakage. The removable touchscreen is highly sensitive and user-friendly, and the nano-coated glass plate provides excellent adhesion to remove printed models easily. The LOTMAXX Shark V3 FDM 3D printer is a versatile, user-friendly option for novice and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. Its affordable price point and advanced features make it an excellent investment for professionals looking to take their creativity to the next level. If you want to buy Shark FDM 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.